So dear student, welcome again to this channel. So in our previous classes we have discussed the construction of quadrilateral. That was the topic of class 8 geometry, but here we are going to discuss about the property of triangles. This is the topic of class 7 geometry. Okay, the reference book name is Connect with Mathematics, Eduline Publisher. Now we are discussing our topic, but remember one thing, you already learn about these things in your previous classes. It means in your class 5th or class 6th you have learned about some basic things about triangles. First we discuss all of that, then we discuss the property of a triangle. Okay, so discuss the next slide. You have learned this one is in your previous classes. Okay, so here I recall that one. A triangle is a closed figure that made up of 3 line segment. Okay, a triangle is a closed figure that made up of how many line segment? 3 line segment. Okay, and also you know that a triangle have 3 sides, 3 vertices and 3 angles. Okay, so here we discuss by an example. Here's an example, triangle ABC. In this triangle ABC, A, B and C are the vertices. This one and this one are the vertices. It means A is a vertex, B is a vertex and also C is a vertex. Okay, now the AB is a sides, BC is a sides and AC is also the third side. Okay, here is 3 sides and 3 vertices. Also the triangle ABC has 3 angles, that was angle A, angle B and angle C. So here I represent ABC. ABC angles means ABC. It means this angle, angle B. Okay, BCA angle, BCA. It means angle C, and CAB, CAB. It means angle A. Okay. Now a triangle is represented by a small symbol of a triangle. So you know about that, the types of triangle. Here we are going to discuss types of triangle. Types of triangles means, first things, we are classified into 2 ways. The triangles are classified into 2 ways, according to their sides and according to their angles. Okay, so if we classify the triangle according to their size, so there are 3 type of triangles. The first one is the scalene triangle, second one isoscale triangle, and the third one equilateral triangle. So we can discuss one by one. First, the scalene triangle. Scalene triangles is a triangle that has no equal sides. Okay, if in a triangle, if there are no equal sides, then we call this triangle is a scalene triangle. So here is an example of a scalene triangle. This one is the example of a scalene triangle. Here the length of AB is not equal to the length of BC, it's not equal to the length of AC. Here all the sides are different. Okay, so this one is a scalene triangle. Now the second one is the isoscale triangle. What do you mean by isoscale triangle? An isoscale triangle is a triangle that has 2 equal sides. Okay, so always remember, here the length of AB is equal to the length of AC. It means in a triangle, if the 2 sides are equal, if any of the 2 sides are equal, then we call this triangle is an isoscale triangle. Okay, then the third one means the equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is a triangle that has all 3 sides are equal. Okay, if in the triangles all the sides are equal, then we call this triangle is an equilateral triangle. So here the length of AB is equal to the length of BC is equal to the length of AC. Here all the sides are equal. Okay, so if in the triangles, if the all sides are equal, then this triangle is an equilateral triangle. If the two sides are equal, then it is an isoscale triangle, and the scalar triangle is all the sides are not equal. Okay, now discuss the next slide. So according to their angles, we can also classify triangle into three types. Okay, the first one, right angle; second one, the obtuse angle; and the third one, acute angle triangle. So what do you mean by right angle triangle? First, you know about that the angles are six types. What do you mean by acute angle? Acute angles means the angle that measure less than 90 degree. Okay, and the right angle is equal to the 90 degree. Obtuse angles means it greater than 90 degree. So here the first we discuss the right angle triangle. A right angle triangle has a 90 degree angle. Okay, if in a triangle that have a 90 degree angle, then we call this triangle is a right angle triangle. So here in this triangle ABC, the angle B is 90 degree. So here I can say this one is a right angle triangle. Also an obtuse angle, the second one, the obtuse angle. Also the obtuse angle triangle is called an obtuse angle where one of the angle is greater than 90 degree. An obtuse angle triangle has one of the angle is greater than 90 degree here. Also the B angle is obtuse angle here. Here is the B angle is obtuse angle. So always remember one thing, if in a right angle triangle one angle is greater than one angle is 90 degree, then the other two are acute angle here. And also in an obtuse angle triangles, one of the angle is obtuse angle and remaining two angles are acute angle. But in an acute angle triangles, all the angles are acute angle. Okay, so in an acute angle all the angles are acute angle. In a right angle triangle, two angles are acute angle and one angle is right angle. And in an obtuse angle triangle, one angle is obtuse angle and other two are acute angle. So acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangles means in a acute angle triangle all the angles are less than 90 degree. All the angles are less than 90 degree. So all the angles are acute angle here. Here is the A angle, B angle and C angles are acute angle. Okay, here's the next slide. We know that sides opposite to an angle and angle opposite to sides. Always a triangle have 6 parts, 3 angles and 3 sides. If we mention a angle, then always a angle opposite to a sides, and also if we mention a sides, then always a sides is opposite to an angle. Okay, so here in this triangle ABC is a triangle. Now if we say what is the opposite to angle A, what is the opposite to angle A, obviously the answer will be BC. This one is the A angle and this one is the BC sides. Okay, so similarly sides opposite to B angle is AC and sides opposite to C angle is AB. Okay, and also now we say what is the angle opposite to the side BC. If we mention the side first, then we know always the angles are opposite. It means the A angle is opposite to side BC, and also similarly side opposite to AC is B angle, side opposite to AC is B angle, and also side opposite to AB is C angle. Okay, so this is the topic of property of a triangle. So in this class we have discussed those things, but in our upcoming class we are discussing the upcoming things. So now time to end the class. We will meet again in the second part of video.